Hello everyone, let us see this question. In the given figure, DEFG is a square and angle BAC equal to 90 degrees. DEFG is a square, angle BAC is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, we have to prove these four conditions. Right, this question is from CBSE 2009 question paper. Okay, so let us start proving all this. The main thing it is given that DEFG is a square. If DEFG is a square, is a square. That means here the angles will be 90 degrees, right? Here also. And also I can use the word that DG equal to DE is equal to EF is equal to FG, right? This is the thing that is made for us. Okay, and of course 90 degrees angles are also there with us. Okay, now let us come to the first case. Consider triangle AGF and triangle DBG. Let us consider these two triangles AGF and DBG. Okay. Now, if you check this here, it is clearly given for you that GAF is 90 degrees, right? So, angle GAF is equal to here also angle BDG. Angle BDG. Both are 90 degrees each. And since it is a square, right? So this angle here and this angle, see. Okay, so GF and BC are something like parallel lines and AB is a transversal. So I can use the word that angle AGF is equal to angle AGF is equal to this part is equal to, I can write this as angle DBG, right? Angle DBG because they are corresponding angles. So by AA similarity again, by AA similarity, I can write this as triangle AGF similar to triangle DBG, right? This is the first case that what you have to prove it. That is done. Now let us go to the second case. This is a second one also will be the similar way. Okay. So second case, let us see this. What is asking you to show? Triangle AGF similar to triangle EFC. Okay. Now consider triangle AGF and triangle EFC, right? AGF and EFC. Again, same thing. If you can check it out here, angle GAF, this is 90 degrees, is equal to, similarly, angle GAF, you got it? That angle, this part is also 90 degrees, right? So that means angle GAF is equal to angle FEC equal to 90 degrees. One condition you got it. And the same way, just we took in the previous condition, this angle and this angle. Both are corresponding angles, right? If you take this GF and BC as parallel lines, so AC becomes a transversal. So in that case, I can use the word that angle AFG, AFG is equal to, okay, angle AFG is equal to angle ECF, right? Corresponding angles. Again, by A similarity, here also I can write that triangle AGF similar to triangle EFC. This is what we have to prove it, right? Now, if you come to the third case, that what we have to prove in the third case, for proving this, already according to the first condition, we got this part, right? From first condition, what we proved? We proved that triangle AGF similar to triangle DBG. And from second condition, we proved that triangle AGF is similar to triangle EFC, right? AGF is similar to triangle EFC. So from first and second, what can you write? Since triangle AGF is similar to triangle DBG, triangle AGF is similar to triangle EFC. Therefore, I can write that triangle DBG similar to triangle EFC. Right? This is what the third condition that we have to prove it. This is done. Now, one more part is left over. That is the fourth one. What I have to prove the fourth one? DE square is equal to BD into EC. Okay, now we will take out the third condition, that is triangle DBG similar to triangle EFC. Okay, since triangle DBG similar to triangle EFC. Okay, now ratios of the sides will be proportional. So I can write this as DB by EF is equal to BG by FC is equal to DG by EC. Right? We got this in this case. Now let us check this, what we have to prove actually. DE square is equal to BD into EC. Okay, DE square is equal to BD into EC. Now in that case, I will consider first and last. That means DB by EF is equal to DG by EC. Okay, on cross multiplying, I will get this as DB into EC is equal to EF into DG. Since DGEF is a square, so I can write that, already we have written here, right? Since in the first case only we wrote it, since DEFG is a square, so all the sides are equal. That means I can write EF is equal to DG is equal to DE, right? Of course, one more also will come, that is GF. So in the place of EF, I can write DE. In the place of DG, also I can write DE. So what I will get? Therefore, I will get this as DB into EC is equal to DE into DE. That means DE square is equal to BD into EC. Right? I hope this is what we have to prove it. DE square is equal to BD into EC. Right? This is the final solution. I hope you got the solution here. Thank you.